Right, wireless microphone test. Here's a microphone, obviously, and it's got a compact transmitter that just goes on your belt, and the receiver's obviously on the camcorder itself. It's the Zi8, and well, the idea being that you could use this in the field, move around, and still capture good sound quality. You could also put a splitter and get the sound coming in from the detector as well. It's got about a 30-metre distance. You should pick it up as you move around, but these things don't always work so well in the house. I'm sure if you're using this thing and moving around the garden, or like I say in a field, the sound would pick up very good. Just a different idea to get you a bit more mobile. Also got the remote control.